Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we will study about HTML form attributes. So let's see what is it. The first one attribute in form attribute is the action attribute. So let's see what is action attribute. The action attribute defines the action to be performed when the form is submitted. Usually, the form data is sent to a file on the server when the user clicks on the submit button. So here you can see in case of action attribute, I have used one page name. So here that page name is, or you can say the file name is submit.html. That means when you click on the submit button, it will redirect you to submit file. So here you can see in case of label, I mention the first name and then the its ID here, that is f name, and then the type is the text. So what is the value? I have already mentioned the name we need to put in the input, that is John. Again, I mentioned the last name and I mentioned the last name value. So here I used one more input, that is submit, which will help us to submit the data to the next file, or you can say the submit.html file. So let's see what is it. We already saved this file, so we'll run this code. Now you can see here is the first name, and inside the input the John is already mentioned, and here the last name and its surname is already mentioned. So let's submit this button. So here you submitted the your data. So this is our submit.html file, which redirect us to here, so that our file is got submitted. So this is all about the action element. The second one we are having is the target attribute. Let's see what is target attribute. Here, this is the structure of target attribute. Let me copy this from here and we'll save it. Now let's see what is target attribute. The target attribute specify where to display the response that is received after submitting the form. The target attribute can have one of the following. First is the underscore blank that responds the display in a new window or tab. The default value is underscore self, which means that the response will open in the current window. So here, let me first change the file name from here. Again, we'll save this file and run this code. Now you can see this is the form of target attribute. In submitting this form, the result will be opened in the new browser tab. So here I'm submitting and it is opening in the new target file, or that is called submit.html. So this is the format of target attribute. So our next attribute is the method attribute. So let's see what is method attribute. Here is the case of method attribute. So yeah, the method attribute specifies the HTTP method to be used when the submitting the form data. The form data can be sent as a URL, a variable, or the HTTP post transaction. So there are two types of there are two types of method attribute. First is get and second one is the post. So let's see what is get. So here in case of get, let me copy this first. So this is the method attribute for the get. So let me change the file name. Submit. File name is submit. So here the method name is the get. So it will come in the format of get. So when you do that, let me save this file, then you will understand. Okay, this is the format submitted using the get. So here the details are already written, and after you submit, notice that the form value is visible in the address bar of the new browser. So this is the way of writing it. Now you can see it is coming as an address bar. So this is how you can write in case of the post. So there are so many formats to submit the file. So this is how you can help, like for using the method, get, post and everything. So this is how you can submit all these files. So they are preparing you to make different type of methods to submit the particular files. The second one we are having is the post. So this is the method of post. You need to write it here, the post. So it will post you to the post your data to the next file. So you need to change your file name. What is your file name? You have to write whatever you created, that file name you created. I created the submit.html. So I will write this file over here. So everything will come at this side. Again, I'll play this button and then we'll run this code. So it will get posted by another form. So let me post this and you will see this will help you to post in different kind of things. Here my only word is submitted at the next page, that is why it's not showing so much difference. But when you will write so many things over there, so it will automatically show you different type of method. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we will learn about more features. Thank you so much.